I will be briefly explaining my Unit 1 in this video as far as community relations and excessive force of violence used amongst the police. Community policing and minority relations in collaboration with the officers' use of excessive violence within these neighborhoods, as we all know, have exceeded record highs. The fear on each side have sparked the unbalanced nature between the community as well as our law enforcement officers. Because of this senseless killing and violence that wreak havoc among our streets, within these communities and all over our nation, between civilians, as well as hate crimes and excessive force of police brutality and injustice within our court systems, an outrage has gone through and swept through our communities of violence we now see today, wreaking havoc on our streets, our communities, and our nation. By telling the youth of these low-class, even middle-class communities, and letting them see exactly what it is that the law officers do of today, as well as why they do it, can shed some kind of light on the questions that they may have about why all the senseless killing and violence, and why such a fear, as well as answer some of the questions that they still may have. Many have been led to believe, youth and adults, that all police are bad and that the criminal justice system is just there to hold ones in low income and middle class neighborhoods down from achieving their goal. But this is not true. What they fail to teach is why the consequences are given like they are given. Because there are actions that are wrongfully done, and there are consequences to pay for those actions. This is why the law must be upheld. But some things are not as they seem. So we need to hold those responsible for unlawfulness and wrongful deaths accountable, as well as the court system for wrongful convictions, and retrain our officers to uphold the law as far as excessive violence go. And this is just a few ways that we can get back to mending the brokenness of our communities as well as our law system. Thank you.